The next thing we learned in Unit 5 was how to find the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle. And we had this property that says the measure of an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the measures of the remote interior angles. What that says is the two angles that don't touch the exterior angle, you can add those up and it'll equal the exterior. Now in my class, I usually just found the third missing angle of the triangle and then subtracted from 180 because those have to be supplementary since they're a linear pair. So whichever way you like to do it will get you there. But let's go ahead and check out an example. So I like to label things. It says the measure of angle BCD. So BCD is this red angle. That's 130 degrees. Y'all, that's an exterior angle because it's outside of the triangle. All right, then we have the measure of angle ABC. So the blue angle is 75. And what is the measure, and I'm going to highlight this one since it's my ultimate answer, of BAC. So this is the angle I'm trying to solve for. So if you remember your theorem here, you can say, okay, these two angles are the two remote angles because they don't touch this one. So I know that the measure of, let me change colors, angle BAC plus ABC, which is 75, has to equal 130. And then you can solve it by subtracting 75 from each side. So angle BAC would equal 55 degrees. Okay, so that's how you would solve it using the shortcut with our exterior angle theorem. But you could also, I just want to mention this in case you don't remember that when you get to the test. Hopefully you can see that that is a linear pair. So we know those two angles have to be supplementary. So since that angle is 130, this one has to be 50 because they have to add up to 180. And then if you look inside your triangle, you know 2 and you're missing 1. So you could add up the 2 that you know and subtract from 180, and that will get you there as well. So if we add up those 2 and then take 180 and subtract it, we will still get 55 as our answer. So it's really whichever method you prefer, but the measure of that angle is 55 degrees.